So this is just a quick video. Mr. McDonald, as you can see, obviously this vehicle is sold and locked up already for you. There's an alarm fitted, you probably heard the beep in there. I'll just do a quick video of the outside so you can see it. No marks at all or dents on the outside of the vehicle. Excuse if it's a bit dirty. Bike rack fitted on the back, and reverse camera down below. Again, no dings, and there's an awning fitted on the top on this side as well. Let's just show you in the cab area. Again, all good in here. As we're moving through. Carpets and aerial. Bathroom. We just put the tape over the toilet just for protection.